Air. Unit 3, 3rd standard, Term 3, Science. Properties of air. Air is a natural resource and we all know that we cannot live without it. It is present all around us. It has no definite shape and color, but it has weight and it occupies space. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air can flow everywhere. The main properties of air. Air occupies space. Here there is a activity based on air occupies space. So material needed are tumbler, a ball and water. Procedure: place a tumbler on the surface of the water kept in a ball according to the picture. Push the tumbler straight into the water. Now tilt it slightly and push it into the water. Do you observe any difference? Yes, air bubbles comes out of water. Hot air rises up. Now tie a balloon to the mouth of a bottle as shown in the picture. Let the mouth of the bottle be narrow. Keep the bottle in a vessel containing hot water. Observe it for some time. The balloon will expand. Why? Due to the heat of water in the vessel, air inside the bottle becomes hot. Hot air fills the balloon. Therefore, the balloon expands. Air has weight. Take two balloons, fill air in one balloon and keep the other balloon as it is. Make a measuring tool using a stick and tie the balloons on both the ends as shown in the picture. Which balloon comes down and why? Do and find out. Write true or false. Air occupies space but has no weight. False. Air is colorless. True. Air has definite shape. False. Now, if we fill air in the ball, it will change its shape. Which of the following is required for good health? Clean air. Air moves and pushes things. Light an incense stick in the corner of the room and observe the smoke of the incense stick moves everywhere. The air pushes the smoke. See the clouds in the sky that moves everywhere. Clouds move because of the movement of air. Electricity is generated from wind with the help of the windmills. Next, can you remove a small plastic ball from the glass vessel without physically touching it? Yes, you can. If you blow towards one wall of the glass very hard, the ball will eject out of the glass. Take a plastic bottle and fit a soggy newspaper pellet tightly in its mouth. On pressing the bottle, the pellet will come out with the loud pop sound. Air is required for burning. Light a candle and place it on a table. Now cover the lighted candle with a glass jar. Observe what happens. Because the air is not present inside, the candle will stop burning. Air exerts pressure. When you drink fresh juice, you suck it through the straw. We do this with the help of air. How does a straw work? Mix a few drops of ink in half a glass of water. Place a transparent straw inside the glass containing colored water. Then place your finger on the top of the straw and pull the straw out of the liquid. What happens? Then remove your finger from the straw. What happens? While your finger covers the top of the straw, the liquid will remain in the straw. When you remove the finger, the water will flow out. When you keep your finger on the straw, you are lessening the pressure of air over the straw. The greater pressure of air under the straw can hold the liquid inside the straw. Now here there is one more activity, air jet. The materials required are empty plastic milk cover, a piece of thick string and an old pen body or pipe. Procedure: tie an old pen body or a pipe to the mouth of the milk cover with a string. Place 3 or 4 thin notebooks up on the plastic milk cover and slowly blow air into it with your mouth. As the cover gets inflated, the books will get raised. How does that work? The pressure that you exert with your mouth is limited, but the large area of the milk cover magnifies this pressure and lifts the books. So the above activity shows that air rises up on getting warm, air is needed for burning, and air has pressure. Now we are going to talk about breathing, that is inhalation and exhalation. Keep your fingers near your nose and breathe. Do you feel air on your fingers? Try to count how many times you breathe in a minute. Now jump 6 to 7 times. Is your breathing rate the same or is it faster? Run 100 meters and stop. Observe your breathing. All living things need air for their survival. Plants breathe through leaves and fish breathe through their gills. Humans breathe in and breathe out through lungs. Now, inhalation is the process of taking the air inside and exhalation is the process of releasing the air outside. This cyclical process of inhalation and exhalation is called breathing. We take oxygen and release carbon dioxide gas while breathing. When we breathe in, our chest rises up, and when we breathe out, it lowers down. Tick the ones which breathes and cross the ones which does not breathe. Ant, monkey, tree, human beings, snake, all will breathe and the rest does not breathe, so we have to cross it off. Choose and write the correct answer for the following action. The actions are: air moves out of the lungs, exhalation; air goes into the lungs, inhalation; chest rises up, inhalation; chest lowers down, exhalation. Here we have an exercise on breathing. Now Mati and Modi practiced various exercises like walking, skipping and running. They counted the number of times they breathed in 1 minute after each exercises and recorded their result in the bar diagram. And looking at the bar diagram, we need to answer the following questions. Which activity raised the breathing rate the most? Running. Which activity do you think exercises the heart muscles the least? Sitting. Write true or if true and false if false. They breathed more number of times when they were walking. True. They breathed less number of times when they were sitting. True. They took 50 breaths per minute when they were running. True. The more vigorous the exercise, the greater the number of breaths. True. Moving air. Take some sand in your hand and release the sand. It falls in the direction of the wind. Try to answer. Now, moving air is called wind. It moves across the surface of the earth. Based on the speed of air, wind can be classified as breeze, storm and gale. Speed of the wind is measured using an instrument called anemometer. A breeze, a gentle wind is called breeze. Sea breeze and land breeze are the two types of breeze. Sea breeze. The breeze that blows from the sea towards the land during daytime is known as sea breeze. As the warm air from the land rises up and the cold air from the sea occupies the space over the land. Land breeze. The breeze that blows from the land towards the sea during night time is known as land breeze. The warm air from the sea rises up and so the cold air from the land moves towards the sea. Storm. Strong wind is called storm. Sometimes storm can uproot trees and can destroy the crops. Gale. A very strong wind is called gale. Gale is stronger than storm. It damages trees and buildings a lot. Match the following: breeze, gentle wind; storm, strong wind; gale, very strong wind. Fill in the blanks. Gentle air is called breeze. We get electricity from wind using windmills. The air that flows from the land towards the sea is land breeze. Sea breeze is the air moving from the sea towards the land. What will you do during disaster? I will not watch TV when it rains heavily. I will follow the warnings. I will not stand under a tree when heavy wind blows. Fill in the blanks using the given words. Air, weight, rises, lungs, inhale. Air as weight. Things need air for burning. The process by which we breathe in air is known as inhale. The organ that helps us to breathe is lungs. When we breathe in air, the chest rises up. Write T if true and F if false. Air is nowhere, false. Air fills that empty space, true. Clouds move because the movement of air, true. A very strong wind is called gale, true. We release oxygen during breathing, false. Circle the odd one: balloon, cycle tube, football, cricket ball, cricket ball. Kite, balloon, stone, feather, stone. Answer the following. Write the properties of air. Air occupies space, has no definite shape and color. Hot air rises up, air has weight. Write uses of windmill. Electricity is generated. What is breathing? The process of inhalation and exhalation. Write the processes involved in breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Write the types of wind based on the speed of air: breeze, sea breeze and land breeze, storm and gale. Differentiate between land breeze and sea breeze. Land breeze, wind moves from land to sea. Sea breeze, wind moves from sea to land.